Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a gaming review of the Huawei Y9s, and this phone is powered by Huawei Kirin 710F processor with a Mali G51 MP4 GPU with 6 GB of RAM and a 128 GB internal storage, and this phone is costing around 43,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And the display size on this phone is a 6.59 inch Full HD IPS LCD display, and you can see that phone is also a little bit wider, but you can hold this phone very easily without any problem, because this phone is also not very heavy, and we have a very top side and bottom bezel on this phone, very small bezel. I have to say, good as the Super AMOLED display, but still I have to say that it is a very good display for gaming. And in this video I'm gonna play two games, and first is the S9 and second is the PUBG Mobile. And let's play the S9 first, and let's go to the display and show you the visual quality. And you can see I set the visual quality on default. I don't change the visual quality settings on this phone. And guys, you can see that in the start I noticed some lags on this phone, and now game is run very smooth, and you can see some lags. And the display quality for gaming wise, I have to say it is really good. You don't have any problem with the screen brightness. Display is also very bright, and you can see. Let's play another level. Let's see how the Huawei Y9s perform in this second round. And you can see again I noticed some lags, and you can see game is not run fine on this phone. In default setting I don't change the game settings. And you can see game is not run fine on this phone, and I don't recommend this phone for S9. Let's see the PUBG Mobile. And guys, you can see that game is not run fine on this Huawei Y9s, and the Huawei Kirin 710F processor is not perform good in this video. Let's see the PUBG Mobile and how the PUBG Mobile work on this Huawei Y9s. And game is fully loaded. Let's go to the graphics settings, and you can see this phone give you HD option with a high setting, but we don't have a HDR option right now, but we have a HD with a high setting. So let's play the level. And right now game is run fine. I don't notice any lag, but I have to say that game is not very smooth. We don't have a 60 frames. I have to say we have a 28 or 29 frames per second. And now we just landed on the surface, and game again is run fine. I don't notice any lag, but I have to say game is not very smooth. We don't have 60 frames per second or even 40 frames per second, but I don't feel any lag right now. And guys, you can see that the gaming performance on the Huawei Y9s is not good, and I play as for 9 and I also notice some lags and glitches during my game, and now I play the PUBG Mobile with HD on high settings and I also notice some lags. This phone is good phone for day-to-day usage. I don't recommend this phone for gaming, and I have to say that the Redmi Note 8 Pro is one of the best value phone for money, and it is also one of the best phone for gaming. And thank you so much for watching this gaming review of the Huawei Y9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.